Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make avocado salad. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 1 avocado, 1 chopped tomato, a chopped half of bell pepper, 2 big spoons of yellow corn, some black olives, 1 minced garlic cloves, 1 chopped red onion, 2 big spoons of olive oil, 2 big spoons of lemon juice, a small spoon of apple vinegar, and finally some salt and black pepper. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our salad. In a bowl, put the onion and the garlic, add over it 2 big spoons of olive oil and 2 big spoons of lemon juice, some salt and black pepper, and mix all together. After that, add the bell pepper, the corn, the tomato, mix them together again. Then after that, add a small spoon of apple vinegar, mix again. Then chop the avocado and put it over it. Mix them together and put it on the plate. Finally, add over it the black olives, and that's it. Our salad is ready. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.